Traders, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Trader, I'm Samuel Ngon and happy once more to be here this evening in order to have a new session here. We're learning how to trade. We're learning how to trade the stock market and also the Forex market. Trader, this is a big opportunity we having here for free of charge. You can join us if you want in order to learn how to trade. We do this every day, Sunday from 5 to maybe 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we don't have session because the market will close. So we trading from Monday. Monday we trade from 7 p.m. till 10 or 11. So we're here as promised. This is Wednesday today, and we are in about 10 minutes past 7 p.m. here Eastern Time. Trader, we want to thank you, especially those who watch our video. We are very grateful, and we're building a big community, ladies and gentlemen. We're learning how to trade. We don't make any money here, but we're learning how to trade, and we invite all of you to join us as well. So our channel is bilingual. Maybe it's a few channels like this you can meet in the world, bilingual channel. They are, but they're not too many. So this is one of them, and we are speaking here English and French. And we now going to welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et je suis très heureux d'être encore ici une fois de plus ce mercredi février. Alors ça fait 2025 et nous avions institué ce grand programme pour pouvoir apprendre à trade. Nous ne sommes pas ici pour faire l'argent, mais nous sommes ici pour trade, pour apprendre, je vous l'ai dit, apprendre à trade. Alors nous vous invitons tous à souscrire à notre chaîne, ceux qui veulent apprendre à trade gratuitement, ensemble avec nous, afin que dans le futur nous puissions devenir des professionnels traders. Nous tradons le stock et le Forex. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous nous focalisons sur le Forex parce que ça nous permet de trade à notre temps. Voilà. Sollicité quoi, parce que c'est 24 heures. Alors, le stock, tu ne peux pas trader le stock 24 heures. Alors, vu mon emploi du temps, j'ai préféré pour l'instant me focaliser sur le Forex parce que ça me permet de faire deux travaux à la fois. En journée, je travaille et la nuit, je fais ce travail-ci. Alors, joignez-nous, ceux qui veulent apprendre à trade, et tous ensemble, nous y arriverons. Ok. Donc, ce soir, il est 19h passé de 12 minutes, l'heure de New York, et nous sommes ici par rapport à notre programme hebdomadaire. Alors, nous sommes prêts à regarder ce que le marché va nous réserver aujourd'hui. Nous allons faire les analyses et après les analyses, nous verrons s'il y aura des opportunités que nous pourrions prendre. Merci beaucoup une fois de plus pour votre soutien. Ceux qui nous regardent dans tout le monde entier, nous vous disons merci une fois de plus. Alors, prenez place et soyons patients. Le trading est une activité très difficile. Pour cette raison, nous vous encourageons à nous joindre avec des comptes démo. Voilà, n'utilisez pas l'argent propre car le trading est très difficile. Moi, je le fais avec tout juste un peu d'argent. Je ne vous encourage pas à utiliser l'argent propre. Vous n'avez pas besoin parce que nous ne sommes pas ici pour faire l'argent. Mais si néanmoins vous voulez le faire, je vous conseillerais un tout petit peu. Peut-être comme $50 ou $100, donc ça dépendra de vous. Alors je ne vous encourage pas plus que ça. Parce que nous sommes ici, bien que pour chercher ce qu'on appelle le skills en anglais, c'est-à-dire les aptitudes, voilà, la connaissance. So traders, we're saying that we're here to learn how to trade, and we encourage you guys to have your demo account so that we can trade together. So let's watch and see what the market have done so far, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. We see that we are here in the daily chart. Our daily chart here, we need to analyze the direction of the market. When we analyze the direction of the market, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll be able now to focus ourselves and to follow the trend. Because yesterday, I make a lot of mistakes. Among the mistakes I made was a big one. The big mistake was that I was going against the trend. Since we're learning here, learning means what? Improving what we're doing. We have to improve it by correcting our mistake. So the mistake I made yesterday was that I was always going against the trend, and that is something we have to correct. It's better for you to do what is good, what is right, what you feel is right according to the market, and now things doesn't go in your side, or because you're doing great, you follow your rules and you follow the trend because the trend is your friend. When you follow the trend and things doesn't work out, it's better. For example, this is the daily chart. When we see here, this dotty, sparring dotty here is the daily chart. And with your daily chart, you have to see the direction of the market and follow accordingly. That is what we're going to do from now on. Before we start our trading session, we got to see the direction of the market and we follow. Now, what are we going to say here? We say that we have indecision. This is the daily chart. We have a decision here as well and here as well. Only Australia Japanese. Yes, only Australia Japanese, which we can see that we're having some kind of green candle, but the other three one are either indecision or we have a dotty, aspiring dot here. This one is look like, it means that it look like we have a change of direction, which is good, but we don't know which direction the market is going to take at this point. So what does that mean? It means that we need to wait and see the direction of the market. We can now predict a little bit this one. This is Australia Japanese. This one, Australia Japanese. We can now maybe try to see that Australia Japanese are trying to, to give us a bullish candle. When you see, compared to the other three orders, these three orders are still indecisive, as you can see. But this one trying to give us a small bullish candle. So if we now go to 4 hours, we see that on the 4 hours session here, we're still on the consolidation area. This is a pure consolidation. And now when we scale now to the 1 hour time frame, we see that we're still on the consolidation. We have nothing major here. And now we scale to the 15-minute, we see that we have high and high low, high and high low, and high here. This is where the market's open here. And we see where the market opened, and we still have indecision because we can call this one consolidation because we haven't get something major. This is a consolidation. So we are going to wait to see. Let's see if this market break this resistance, or traders, let me see, or if it break here, we understand that it's now changing direction. Or if it come down to this other position here, the market come out of this range or this range, we will understand that something major going to happen. So according to me, we can figure out maybe to trade this small area, which is possible to trade, but to me it's nothing major we can get from here, because you see here high, high, low, high and high, low, and when you look at here, you see that there is not even volume. There is no volume here. No volume means what? There's not a lot of people trading the market, so we don't have much. We had good volume here. It was in the morning, this was the morning during the day, and now afternoon we have this. The volume reduced and it came here, and you can see what we are having right now. So when you see the rejection everywhere, you understand that the volume is very, very low volume. It's low volume. So nothing major here. We need just to wait and see what the trade is going to do. We have the top here where we want this trade to cross in order to get involved, or coming down, So we're still now checking to see the direction of overall market. And we also see US Japanese, which have been coming, we have been having downtrend in US Japanese here, which is like the leader. So US Japanese is like the SPY of or the Japanese. So we see that US Japanese are coming down and down. We see that he came here, he stopped at this point. Now he's trying to rebound, because we're having lower, lower, and lower high, lower, lower, lower high. We have a lower, lower here, and we get the new lower at this point. We got a new lower on US Japanese. So what do we expect now, trader? We might expect a small bounce today. We might expect a small bounce, under this lower. It doesn't mean that you cannot continue down, that you can. But based on what we saw here, we saw two bearish engulfing candle at this point. We also have two bearish engulfing candle at this point. But we might expect today a small pullback. It's possible to expect it. Let me see if we have some kind of resistance or support at this point. Yes, we have a small support, but it's not something considerable. We have a small support, which is we have one point here, one here. Let me go to weekly chart. Do we have a support on the weekly chart? We say yes. Yes, we have a support. We are there on the support of weekly chart because we have this top and this one, and this one. So we are on the support of weekly chart. And it rejected this one. This is where we are trading now. Let me see. This is where we are trading now. It pulled back a little bit, but the nice support is here. Great. So we've seen some kind of pullback there. We have some kind of pullback here, which is normal. So we expect what? We expect some kind of upside, okay, for US Japanese. Let's now also analyze Euro Japanese. Euro Japanese, this is the daily chart. The daily chart is here. We saw, let me see the overall market. We saw that this chart is coming downtrend, and it came here, it pulled back, it played this candle, and it came here, placed this one. We are now on the red candle. So what can we expect today, trader? Let me go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we saw the gap down, the weekly chart, came here, it placed what we call what? Let me check this one on the weekly chart. We have exactly, we have here inverted hammer. So inverted hammer show here bullish on inverted hammer. So inverted hammer show bullishness, which means that probably we might have some kind of rebounds. Let me see here. That is that is a support on the weekly chart. The support. Let me go now to daily and see. Okay, that was the support on the weekly chart here. So now we have another gap up because we have a retracement here. I can call it pullback, and we place another candle, and we have a drawdown here. And now we're here. Based off the bearish engulfing candle we're having here, we have now double bottom at this point. This is a double bottom here. I can call it that at this point. Those two candles. So it looked like we on the double bottom here. You know, we might see a continuation down. It's possible. This one, as you can see, or you know, a pullback. But pullback based on the double bottom at here, we might expect a pullback. You know, pullback. You know, we might see it here going up a little bit. You know, it's possible too because we have double bottom here. Yeah. So let's see what's going to happen there. Let's see. Let's watch the market and see. Let's also check GBP Japanese and see a possibility which we might have here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a daily chart. Let me go to weekly chart. Same thing. Same thing here, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the support area, big support. We might see a rebound, you know, on green. We see that we have a weekly chart, you know, started with weekly chart here, green. So go to daily one. Go to the daily chart. We see that our daily chart here is a little bit red, but it might turn green because we are on the support. So let's see. Let's hope if we see a pullback, it won't surprise us because we are on the support, and we will see and we will, you know, follow the trend. We're going to follow the trend, ladies and gentlemen, as possible as we can. We need to follow the trend much as we can today. So let's watch and see. We need to keep our eyes on our daily chart to see where it's heading. So for that reason, I can leave my 2-3 chart on the daily, and one chart I can place it on 15 minutes as I did here. Trader, je disais que j'étais en train d'analyser les 4 trades ou paires que j'ai sur mon écran. Alors, je disais que nous allons observer et voir la direction du marché afin que nous puissions suivre cette direction. Hier, j'ai commis une erreur, ne pas suivre la direction du marché. Alors aujourd'hui, je ne veux pas commettre cette erreur encore. Je voudrais suivre aussi près de la direction du marché. C'est mieux de suivre la direction du marché et que vous soyez, vous fassiez l'erreur. Voilà. Mais vous avez vu l'ensemble de la direction du marché. C'est très important. Très important. Gardons notre calme, chers traders, et examinons tranquillement, voilà, regardons tranquillement ce que le marché fera et nous serons en mesure de cerner cette direction et de la poursuivre. Voilà. Sorry, I was speaking. My microphone was off. I was saying that we have to follow the direction of the market. You know, a bit. We have to spend time calmly. You know that trading is patient. When you have opportunity, you can jump on that opportunity. For that reason, we need to see, check, and stay calm, sitting in our hand. Like I'm sitting right now. I haven't taken any trade. So I'm watching Australian Japanese, I'm watching GBP Japanese, I'm watching Euro Japanese, and I'm watching US Japanese. Those are the pair we're watching every day, especially based on our time, the time we trade. Because trading, you have to know what time you're trading, even though Forex is 24 hours. You gotta know a specific time, which, the time corresponds to your schedule and the good time. We're trading from 7 p.m. Eastern time till maybe 10 or 11. Sometimes we'll go to 12 a.m. So it means that you guys can join us for free every day, so that we can learn all together how to trade. We can build this community together. We build it, and as the time goes, we will become a profitable trader. That is how many people have done. All those gurus you see who make tons of money in trading, don't think that they just wake up one day in the morning and they just start making those tons of money. They had to make a lot of sacrifices. Some trade even in the dark. Yeah. Me, I have courage to come and trade here openly, even though I'm not yet a profitable trader. but I come to trade openly here because I have Forex. People don't, because it's not easy to lose money publicly or in front of people. It's not easy. That is why some people prefer making those mistakes in the dark. They don't do it openly. But I have courage here. Me and my team, we decided to launch this program to help people who probably they want to trade. They've been looking to trade for a long time, don't even know where to start. That is why if you go to our channel, we have our first video we launched. It's talking about investment, learning how to trade, and if you watch that video, saying that, do you want to learn how to trade, or to learn how to invest but you don't know where to start? This is where you do that for free, because we are here. We do French and English, or English and French. You can send us tests in French or in English. We're going to respond. This is a great opportunity. When I started to trade 5 years ago, I didn't even know who to talk to about trading. I was paying tons of money just to have courses, but I'm still buying those courses up to now. But you guys have opportunity to have somebody you can ask questions. For example, what do you call this? Why do you trade this? Why should not trade that? Why are you saying that you have to place the stop in the market? Why do you say that you have to follow your rules? Why do you say this? So those are the questions we had before. I don't know who to ask, and you have to pay tons of money to other people to even just, talk to them. So you guys have it for free. You can go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you want to, and join us every evening, 7 p.m. We're here. You can, tune in and learn how to trade, and you have free, you can ask questions if you want to ask questions or whatever. We're not here to sell anything to anybody. We're here to learn how to trade. We're not making money here. If you're looking to make money quickly, overnight, there are many other, channel or other people that promise you that they're going to help you to make money quick to pay your bill with. But it's not here. We're not making money here. We're learning how to trade. We have to tell the truth, but people don't like it. But anyway, that's fine. So we're still watching the market here, ladies and gentlemen. We still, our eyes still there. We haven't seen any movement. I just see here Euro Japanese trying to break the bottom. So we're still watching. All those 3-4 pairs are a little bit in red. They're showing red. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Cher trader, je disais que ici, nous sommes en train d'apprendre à trader. Nous ne faisons pas l'argent déjà. Alors, vous pouvez nous joindre. Vous pouvez souscrire à notre chaîne. Voilà. Et c'est gratuit pour apprendre à trader. Chercher la connaissance, l'éducation, chercher le talent. Et après ce talent, vous pourriez faire de ça ce que vous voulez. Voilà. C'est ça. Ici, nous voulons ceux qui veulent s'intéresser au trading, sont heureux d'apprendre. Voilà. C'est ce dont nous avons besoin. De nous joindre tous ensemble, nous puissions apprendre à trader comme nous le faisons d'ailleurs. Vous pouvez nous joindre tous les jours à partir de 19h, temps de New York. Alors, nous passons 2 heures, 3 heures de trade. Voilà. Vous pouvez passer 1 heure si vous voulez, 30 minutes ou 15 minutes ou ensemble de 3 heures, 4 heures. Tous ensemble, nous allons apprendre à trade. C'est pas perdre le temps. Voilà. Tous ces gens que vous voyez devenir des grands traders, ils ont appris comme nous. Beaucoup ont appris dans le noir. Mais nous avons eu le courage à mettre sur pied ce programme pour pouvoir apprendre aider ceux qui veulent apprendre à trade mais qui ne savent pas comment commencer. Ils n'ont pas l'argent pour acheter des cours. Ils peuvent se joindre à nous ici pour pratiquer le trading. Et tout ça, c'est gratuit. Vous pouvez le faire dans votre compte démo. Vous prenez un compte démo, c'est partout. Si vous ne pouvez pas, vous ne savez pas quel compte prendre, vous pouvez nous écrire, vous pouvez vous conseiller un compte démo. Donc vous pouvez vous en procurer gratuitement. C'est gratuit. Voilà. Si quelqu'un vous vend un compte, alors refusez. Le compte c'est gratuit, le compte démo. Vous le prenez et vous vous associez à nous, vous apprenez à trade. Pendant que nous plaçons les trades ici, nous les appelons, vous aussi, vous placez les vôtres. C'est ainsi qu'on apprend. Petit à petit, 1 semaine, 2 semaines, 3 semaines, 1 mois, 2 mois, 3 mois, 6 mois, 1 an, 2 ans, 3 ans. Alors, vous n'aurez pas perdu. C'est ça. We see watching here, traders. In the meantime, we might search for different ticker, especially indices. JPY225 also. China 50. It's on the downtrend. So we're still here watching. Euro Japanese is on the support. Euro Japanese on the support. Sorry. Euro Japanese here on the support. Traders. I'm sitting in my hand here, waiting like a sniper. Let's see if we're going to have a green candle. Yeah, Chelsea high. and I can place our Discord link here. Discord server link. We already have our Discord server link here. For those who want to join, you can join our Discord. That is a permanent link. You don't need to take it twice. Anytime we tune in, you can just use that same link. So we're still here. The market hasn't moved. We need market to move so that we can see the opportunity to place our trade. You now start seeing a small green candle on the US Japanese, which is good. We've seen a small green candle on US Japanese here. It's good. Eleven minutes here to 8 p.m. No trade. No trade yet. waiting market to move here. Waiting to see the direction of the market. And when you look at Euro Japanese here, you see now it's trying to come to the support area here, which is good. Now we see that all four now are showing the downside direction, but they're still on they haven't broke the support. It might just be a temporarily, small, pullback in order to maybe reverse. I don't know. We need much information in order to conclude the direction. Watching for downside, trader coming, downside here, traders need to see GBP here, Japanese. You have a room. Let me now go to 4 hours there. GBP Japanese here. Still have a room coming down. So don't know. That's 4 hours. Let me see 50-minute chart. GBP. So GBP look nice for the downside. I'm going to take it for the downside, ladies and gentlemen. GBP. I'm in GBP for the downside, ladies and gentlemen. I took my first trade, GBP for downside, and I'm trying also to go short on the Euro Japanese trader. That is my first trade, GBP down. So my targets here on GBP, my first trade, traders, my target is there. So let's see. I prefer to stay with one trade at this point because the other one is still under support, but GBP, I took it for the downside. J'ai pris mon premier trade, GBP, Japanese, sur le short. Donc, je vais essayer de voir ce qu'il va donner. Je vais chercher moi à placer mon stop sur mon trade. Voilà, c'est ça que j'ai pris le short sur ça. So trader, I'm on GBP for the short. I need now to look for to place my stop traders. Okay, I'm now for the short GBP, and my target is here. GBP short, my target is here, and my stops gotta be above here, which is far away, but I have to have 1-to-1, for this trade. 1-to-1. I need 1-to-1 because the stop gotta go on top of this. Ladies and gentlemen, above this candle is a huge. So let's see what we're gonna have here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in the short side, so gotta place my stop. GBP for short. Now I have to 190.688. My first trade is GBP for short. I'm gonna risk a lot on GBP here for the short because that is what I can do. But the stop was a little bit far away. There is nothing else I can do. I gotta just follow my rules. Gotta wait and see. My eyes also is on Australia Japanese. So let's see. I'm on GBP for the short, ladies and gentlemen. That is my first trade. And also Australia Japanese here is trying to break support. So let's see. On GBP for short. Let's watch and see. Traders, I don't want to take more than one trade at a time at this point. My target is here. My TP. My TP here. Raise my TP there. Let's see. We gotta get there. Trader, watching. So we saw that the trade already, show us the direction. The direction was the downside. We try to follow the direction, trader, which is important. We have to follow the direction of the trade. It's very important. Let's see if we're going to get there. We're going to get to my target. Even though it doesn't get to my target, it might go close. It'll be fine. Let me see GBP here. GBP Japanese. GBP Japanese, we here watching to see if we can get it. So we're also having Australia Japanese, but this is too earlier. I don't want to take multiple trade at the same time because of my risk management. Let's see. I'm still there because based off my risk, I don't want to take profit right now because my risk was huge. So I need to wait again. My profit already in green very well, but when I compare what if I get out of the tree right now, what I'm gonna what I was risking, what I was risking is more than what I'm getting right now. So as a result, I need to wait. I need to wait. That is how trading is about. If you have to always take in profit quickly, you don't see the risk and what you were risking. You jump or you take profit because you saw green. It's good, but but in the long run, you won't be able to make it because always when it comes against you, it's going to take you more than what you're winning. So that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. So you need to trade the profit. When you take 1-to-1, you gotta wait until you get to your target point. It's better for the trade to take you out, especially when you haven't get 1-to-1 risk ratio. That is what I'm doing now. For example, this trade, this is my risk here. You see, I enter the trade here at this point. I can show you where I enter the trade. This is where I enter the trade. No, not there, up to there. My entry was here, approximately here. This is my entry point, and my stop is here. So if I have to take this small profit, traders, imagine I take just this small profit. This is 1-to-1 ratio. Even though when I enter here, if it come down here, at least here it will be 1-to-1. But I don't want to jump here and take a profit here right away. But because when I look at the risk is huge. My risk is huge compared to this one. It's not even up to 1-to-1. You have to come down here to give me 1-to-1 risk. That is how it is. So I don't want to take profit here. I better come up and kick me out. I will take it. I take the loss instead to take profit here when it hasn't done it, give me 1-to-1. That is the point I wanted to make here. So let's watch and see. Watching. We're watching here. I'm in for the short. GBP, Japanese. My target is there. I want it to hit my target. Even though it doesn't hit my target, I go close to my target to allow me to have at least 1-to-1 risk. So we're watching here, trader. If I risk small, I could already take my profit here and walk away. But what I risked was more than that. I don't want to buy a cow, I buy, let's say, sheep. I buy it at $200, and if I have to sell it, I go to the market. The first customer come and suggest me that they're gonna give me $150. I jump on it. I don't know if it's a good way to do because you saw money. You just went to go to the market, to sell your good. Now people suggest you give you price. Price your risk is more than one they're proposing you, suggesting to give you. I don't think that the real businessman gonna take that deal. That is a deal, but it's not a good deal. That is what I'm trying to do here, trader. We shouldn't take a bad deal. We should take a good deal. A good deal means what? When you bought your good. You bought something at this price, you have to expect at least 1-to-1 or even more, a little bit. That will help you to make profit. So let's see. We're still on the way. Now, let's see. Watching here, ladies and gentlemen. This is our first trade. It's true that this platform doesn't allow me to, to measure properly, but what I want 1 or 2 to 1. Let's see. Watching here, je suis dans le trade. Je disais que mon objectif, c'est le risque que j'ai donné ici est plus grand que le gain que j'ai déjà eu. Alors j'attends afin que ça puisse au moins me donner 1 sur 1 risque, puisque vous ne pouvez pas acheter votre cabri à un certain montant et vous allez au marché et on vous propose moins que ça et vous prenez. Ça serait la perte. Voilà, ça serait la perte. Si vous continuez à faire ainsi, votre capital finira et vous n'allez pas avancer. Donc vous devrez au moins prendre un montant équivalent à ce que vous avez dépensé. C'est ce que j'essaie de faire ici. Voilà. J'étais déjà ouvert, mais je dois attendre de voir par rapport à mon risque. Et c'est comme ça qu'on doit trade. Si vous avez placé un risque qui est un peu grand, vous préférez l'attendre. Voilà. On observe, watching. And I can take my stop here, take it down. Yep, I took my stop, my entry point. If you go there, you're going to kick me out with 0. Yes. I readjusted my stops. Traders. I readjusted my stop. I took my stop here to this point. If you come there, you're going to kick me out with 0. I won't lose anything. It means that the trade I took, that trade didn't work. So I took my stop at 0. 0 is better. It's better. That is how you have to trade. We're learning how to trade. We're not here to make money. We're here to exercise skills, to learn those skills. We're going to help us tomorrow. You took a trade, the trade took your side, but it didn't give you enough money based on your risk. You can't take that trade. You can't stay in that trade. You can't get out of that trade. Take that risk, that small profit. That is not good, because if you keep doing that, you will never get there. You will never be profitable. If you go to your way, you bring your stop, flat, 0. That is how you have to do. You bring your stop down to break even. Now, if you reverse, you want to go against you, it will hit your stop at even. You know that this trade didn't work out, but you didn't lose money. Because if it took your side, it's going to give you money. But if it doesn't, you don't lose anything. It's true, it gave you money, it gave you some money, you could have jumped out with that money, but based on the risk, because this was my first risk here, too far away. And if you just drop here a little bit from here to here, I just rushed to take the profit compared to what I was risking is huge. So it's not a good trade. Even though I make money, I would say this is not a good trade. But it's the bad money I took from the market, because I took money small than what my risk was. My risk was huge. And my profit, as soon as he give me a small profit, I jump on it. I just disregard the risk I had in the market. That is how many people trade. Many people trade like that, but it's not the good way to trade. We're here to learn the skills, the real skills. You shouldn't trade that way. That you risk 200, but you take 100 on the trade. You're risking 200, and when they give you 100, you jump on it. But I know it's easy to do that. Very easy. But we are not here to do that. We're here to learn a good skill, good habit, how to trade. So this is my stop. If you revert there, take my stop. As you can see, my stop is here in green, and my entry. Place my stop and my entry, the same area. If you come there, kick me out, I'm gonna take it. I will know that this trade didn't work out. It didn't work out. So I take it. So you already come here close to my stops. So let's see what we're gonna do, traders. On va voir. It's climbing close to my stops. It's close to my stop now. Gotta stick on my plan. Stick on my plan, traders, and I leave the rest. Stick in my plan. If it works, that's fine. Doesn't work, that's fine too. With me, no problem. Watching, trader. I'm not getting out before it hit my stop. Let's see. It looks like when it's turning, over. Let's see. Okay. Trader maybe is coming out to support. Let's see if he might break that support. If he break it, it will be fine. But if he doesn't, I will take the loss. No problem. Watching. Follow your plan, stick on it, and wait. Let the trade play. That is what I'm trying to do here, trader. My plan, my stop was here before. That was my stop. And now, when I saw that the trade came here, I readjusted my stop to break even. This is my entry point. Ready to break even. And now I'm here. I didn't take the profit because this profit is smaller than my risk. So let's see if you're gonna break there and get to our target. Watching. Remember, we're learning how to trade. We're not here to make money. We're here to learn how to trade. Yeah. Here to learn how to trade. The long run, when we're doing what is great, what is good, the long run, things gonna work. Things gonna be fine for us. When you enter the trade, you place your stops in the market. See, this is my target. This is my entry point, and my stop is there as well. So let's see. I'm gonna get it. Let's see. I'm going to accept the outcome. That is what means accepting your risk. When you place your stop, do you accept your risk? The risk you place in the market? There are people, when they place the stop in the market and the trade come and hit that stop, they feel bad. Very, very bad. It's true, it's not fun when you see your stop getting triggered. It's not fun, but we need to learn how to accept our risk. Yet, it looks like maybe you tell somebody, hey, if you do this for me, I'm going to give you this, I'm going to pay you this amount. And when the person completes the work, now the time comes to pay the money, you're sad. You're very sad to pay, or a employer who hire people to work for him. And now people are working at the end of the month or the end of the week to give them paycheck. You feel sad. You feel annoyed. It looks like people are coming to steal his money. Yes, I know people do that a lot. A lot of people behave like that. But that is not the way we have to behave. When we said we place our risk, that is why you need to take the risk you can support, you can bear. Don't place a risk which is more than what you can bear, traders. Don't risk more than you can. Risk something, put the money in the market. The money, you know that if I lose this money, it won't affect my life. It won't destroy my life. You put that money in the market and you learn how to trade. Many people make mistakes, me including. I make a lot of mistakes when I started. I thought things were going to turn overnight. I put the money looking to pay my bill with. The money I was supposed to run my life with, and I put it on the market expecting to double it the next month or 1 week. That was, false expectation, and it ruin you. It stress you out. So never ever do that sort of things. The market don't care whether you have to pay your bill. It doesn't care whether your son sick. It doesn't care whether you have to, to do this. The market doesn't care. The time you say that you're going to do that, that is where you're going to show you that, man, forget about it. So come here with a free mind, saying that you're coming to learn how to trade. And when you really have the skills, you can do whatever you want with your skills. So that is what we're doing here. Trying to learn the process, not the outcome. We focus on the process, not the outcome. That's it. Faut respecter votre plan. C'est ça le marché. Respectez votre plan veut dire que si vous avez décidé que je vais faire ceci, vous respectez. Je sais que votre trade ou vous soyez enlevé par votre stop, c'est pas amusant, c'est pas plaisant de voir. Voilà. Mais il faut accepter votre risque. Accepter le risque, c'est quoi? C'est de savoir que lorsque je place ce stop au marché, ça va venir courir là-bas. Oui, ça va venir m'enlever. Je sais que c'est pas vraiment bien de voir, c'est pas normal. Voilà, ça stresse. Mais il faut apprendre, c'est pour ça qu'on dit vous devez devenir profitable, tu veux être professionnel. Un professionnel, celui qui sait accepter le risque. Il accepte malgré que ça lui fait peine. Il voit ça souffrir, il souffre, mais il accepte le risque qu'il s'est fixé lui-même. Il accepte. Voilà. Ce n'est pas pour dire que ça ne vous fait pas mal, mais ça ne vous change pas, ça ne vous amène pas à changer, ça vous désaxe pas. Voilà. Vous digérez ça, vous restez avec votre sang-froid et vous reprenez la vie. ça qu'on passe. Donc, chez trader, nous allons voir ce que ce trade va faire. Voilà. C'est toujours là. Je ne sais pas quel chemin il est en train de vouloir prendre. Ou il va venir m'enlever ici, ça c'est mon stop. Il va venir ici. Ou bien il va venir toucher mon tag. Voilà. Ça c'est mon tag ici et ça c'est mon stop. Et c'est ici que je dois entrer. Dans ce trade. Je dois entrer ici. Donc nous allons voir s'il m'enlève. Je vais accepter. Je vais prendre là. Accepter. Il approche déjà mon stop. S'il m'enlève, je n'aurai rien perdu. J'aurai seulement, parce que j'ai réajusté mon stop. Donc je vais aller à 0,0. C'est ça. Donc on observe. Je suis à 0,0 là. Je couille mon stop. Je suis dehors. Je vais réfléchir comment reprendre le trade. Ça serait un premier trade, mais que je n'ai pas perdu, mais je n'ai pas gagné. Match nul. Voilà. Je suis déjà à côté de mon stop. J'approche de mon stop. On va voir chez trader. Watching. Close to my stop. Stopped out. Let's see. Maybe we're placing higher, lower, and lower high. Maybe that is a lower high. Maybe he might kick me out and I'll come down again. It's possible. Because when you see a rejection on top, rejection at the bottom, you don't know. That's the big consolidation, but if you keep going up through the consolidation, he might break and go and kick me out and come down. That is a big possibility. I see that. So let's see what's going to happen. So let me check the other pair, what they're doing. So they're coming down, they're also coming down. They haven't placed a green candle, like Australia Japanese. So let's see. You gotta get out soon. JPY, Japanese. I'm there for the short. So, and I draw my stop on break even. So let's see. Break even. They kick me out. I will look at another trade, tech, and I will count this trade as a winning trade because I was on the green territory and for a long time, and I was just looking to see to add my my profit, and I brought my stop on the break even, so I can consider it as a winning trade. Let's watch. Close to my stopped out. Close. Get stopped out. Let's see. Soon I gotta get stopped out. Watching. Gotta have my first trade. We didn't work out, but I broke even. Broke even. So that is I'm close to my stopped traders. Very close, you can see, very close to my stops. So let's now watch it and see. That is what they say, that you gotta, follow your plan, accepting your risk. Like what I'm doing now. I'm following my plan and I accept my risk. Let the trade play. Can't get out earlier, but it's possible to get out earlier, especially if you think that the way you took the trade wasn't the right one. You can get out earlier. But me, I don't want to do that because the trade I took, I trust it a little bit, but I don't want to get out early. So let's see what will happen. Let's see. Let's watch and see, traders. Watching. You see a bullish candle there. Let's see. Wow. Look like something wrong in the market. Let's watch. If you're gonna get our target or our stops, market have to play. I'm watching. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm there watching. You need to see the breakdown. You see the break, we'll be fine. Great. See, we broke down. Hopefully, we're going to the target. Go to the target, you're going to be fine. Watching, traders. Let's see. Let's watch. Hopefully, we'll push again. Another push. Down. Let's see, we're going to get another push down. We see now the break here. Other trade like Australia, Japanese broke down. So let's see ours. We're going to have a rejection and green candle. So let's see. This is where I am. We saw a rejection. Let's see. It didn't come to my target. Turn around. That is why I say that trading is difficult. Yeah, trading is very difficult because you see the potential profit. Now you drive in front of you, you turn around, and it goes, against you and go and kick you out. What are you going to do? That kind of trade. So you just need to be patient and look at it. You have nothing to do. And all this, if you don't have, because that is why I say that it's a psychology problem. Because you don't have the way to look at it like this and stay, still, emotion. Don't put your emotion on the trade. That is why you need to take, you can support or share, you can bear, the risk you can deal with. Otherwise, you will do like this, you do with your heart. That is how it is. So let's see the outcome of this trade. Let's see. Maybe you're gonna kick me out. Because if this trade could have just come here close to my target, even though it doesn't get my target, it come a little bit down here, I can get out of the trade. That is what I'm thinking. If it come a little bit down here, even though it doesn't get to my trade, I can get out. That is what I'm trying to do here. Great. Push again. All right. Push again. Again. All right. I'm out of the trade. All right. This is a very beautiful trade, traders. Very nicely. Beautiful. Who cannot say that it's beautiful? Beautiful trade. You can tell, traders. That is why you need to stick to your plan. Traders, stick to your plan. You saw what happened in front of you. Now we're having a drawdown. See, everything's now coming down. And we can see here, how the trade works. So it was nice. I don't want to jump on another trade right now without thinking. It wasn't my plan. So what is true is that the trade, I'm happy with what I made. I'm very happy, the way I trade, because trading is the process. It's not the outcome. My process was nice. I was sticking my plan. I was calm, stick with my plan. I didn't shake even though it went close to my stop. That is a perfect example of trading. Regardless of the amount we made, but the process was beautiful. That is what we learn here. That is what we learn here. That is how we learn to trade. Trade or the candle or the candlestick doesn't go all the way, as you can see here. You see how it dropped here? It placed another candle. But just you who witnessed this, how it went up and down, you can tell. A profane will come here, somebody who doesn't know, will say, oh, look at this one. Look at this. He just came here, he went down once. Oh, if I was here, I could have made money on this candle. Look at how he did. But because he doesn't know that before this candle was formed, psychology, emotion was there 200%. Yes, he went up and down. He came here close. Look, he came close to my stop. My stop was just here. That was my stop on the white candle, horizontal line. Look at how he came close to that stop to take me out. But I didn't shake. I didn't remove my stop. I didn't get out early. I waited, and now he came, he gave this. He gave me this. Beautiful. Nice trade. So let's watch and see what we can do now. Let's go now to 4 hours chart and see. We are already now under support area. Let me see if support area here. So, yep, we're under support. Now we can figure out to take another trade here, traders. Can take another trade. Yeah, this is a 4 hours trade. So I can reduce now my size down. I reduce it and I enter again this trader. I'm in again. I reduce the size this time. Why? Why did I reduce the size? It's because I already make money. I don't want to give back that money. You see the point? That is the same trade I took. I reduced my size very well. More than half. I reduce it more than half because I don't want to risk again what I already made. That is how you have to trade, trader. When you make money, you go for the second time, don't go heavy. You reduce your size because You might lose that money, you might give it back right away. It doesn't make sense that you make money, you give back. You make money, you give back. Likewise, when you come from a very huge loss, you have also to reduce your size. So now I reduce my size. If things doesn't work out here, I'm going to give small. Yeah, I won't give him too much money. I just give him a little bit. So that is what I'm intending to do here right now. Let's watch and see, traders. I'm already on the green territory again. That is my second trade. So I'm expecting to, if this is my target here, if it goes to my target, I'm going to get out of the trade. Great. That is it. That is my second winning trade. Perfect. That is my second winning trade here, ladies and gentlemen. 2 to 2. Now, great. It broke down. Keep going, but I'm happy with what I got here, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, done. Okay. Now we have also GDP. Traders. We have GDP here. We have US Japanese. So we need to figure out which trade we can jump on it right now to make more money. So we need to wait some kind of retracement. Let me check this one. 4 hours. I need to go to 15 minutes. You see the drawdown here. 15. Let me go to 5. All right, I have 5 there. So let's watch and see. We need to follow the direction of the market, traders. Follow the direction of the market. It's important. If I see a green candle, I will go short again. But I need to see direction, the green candle on the 5-minute chart so that I might keep going short. Let's also see this one. But I need a pullback, even though it's not a green candle, but I see a pullback like the first one I did. I can go short. But this time I will just take small unit, micro lot, because I don't want to risk too much. Yes, that is a small pullback here. All right, that's it. Small pullback. That's it again. Small pullback there. I'm about to take my third trade. Okay, I'm in, traders. I'm in. This is the Australian Japanese. Let's see, I took just small again. If it doesn't work out, I will be out of the trade. I'm watching. I'm not going to give him too much. That is the green candle I was expecting, but which I jumped the gun. Let me see. My stop gotta be on top of this candle. Yep, this is where my stop gotta be. My stop is here. That is where I place my stop, top of this candle. And now I need to put it down. I stopped. 582. All right, I stop there. If I lose it, I will accept. So let's watch and see. I took the direction of the market, the downside. Let's watch and see. Watching the direction of the market. Watching here. I'm on Australia Japanese for short. I stop it there. Doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. So let's watch. Je suis dans Australie japonaise, au japonais. Donc, mon stop est là. Mon stop est là. Donc, on essaie de voir. Ici, c'est mon stop. Et je suis dans ce trade. Mon stop est là. On va voir ce qui va se passer. Trader. Et mon objectif, c'est en bas. Je suis obligé de mettre 4 heures pour voir mon objectif. Je vais aller à 15 minutes. Voilà, je vais aller à 4 heures pour voir là où je vais m'arrêter. Là où mon objectif peut être. What is my target? Traders. My target. Target here. That is my target. Trader. So let's see. I'm gonna get it, but we have another support here. We have this support as well here, but the one I'm trying to get is here, if you can get it. So let's wait, stay back. Okay, now we're approaching our stop here. Approaching our stop. Let's see. Let's watch and see. Is my trade where I am now. So hopefully we'll see the continuation down. Even though we don't get it, but we can't blame ourselves because we took, follow the trend. That is what is important. You have to follow the trend, even though things doesn't work the way you plan. But it's better to follow the trend because yesterday I have losses consecutively because I didn't follow the trend. Back to back loss, back to back. Because it's hard to catch top or the bottom of the trade. It's very, very difficult to catch the top or catch the bottom of the trade. That is why it's important to follow the trend. It's important to follow the trend. This is my stop here, and the trade is coming close to my stop. If it stops me out, I'm going to take it. Yeah, I will take it. Watching. You're watching here, I'm on Australia Japanese for short. Continuation down. So let's see. I'm going to get to my stop. We're having lower, high. Now we're getting a lower high here. Let's see how I'm going to play. Approaching my stop. So my first winning trade was good, a very good winning trade, was a nice trade. So no matter this outcome, I was still in green. I was still in green, no matter that outcome. So let's see. No matter the outcome, I was still in green territory. No problem. So let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. It's approaching my stop. Trading is a plan. Follow your plan. Accept your risk. Measure your risk before putting it there. That is why it's important when you want to enter the trade, you gotta check your risk before. It's not after entering the trade that you gotta check your risk. Always check your risk before entering the trade. Very important. So let's see, I'm approaching now my start. I'm approaching my start. So let's see if you're gonna stop me out. If you stop me out, I'm gonna take it. So let's see. Approaching. Approaching my stop. This is a lower high. This is a lower high now. Getting low high now. If you kick me out, I'm gonna take it. Watching. Approaching my stop. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of the trade soon. As you can see here, this is my stop and this is the trade coming close. Let's see. I zoom in so that you can take a look yourself. I stop here on this red line, and this is where I placed my target before. So let's see. If you get to my stops, that's fine. Watching. Reaching my stops. It's here. We have a new candle, 5-minute candle, new. Let's see what's going to happen here. Maybe rejection and continuation of the green, upside, I don't know. So, but let's see. Because we're having a consolidation here, lower, lower, and lower, small, high, and lower, 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 small, high. Well, we might expect now another lower, lower here. Yeah. I expect another lower, lower. Let's see if we might get it. Otherwise, we get stopped out. No problem. Close to my stop. It's now 9 p.m. Eastern. We are now 9 p.m. Eastern time here, ladies and gentlemen. We have been trading for 2 hours now. So let's see. I gotta take a break soon. Watching here for the reversal. Watching for a reversal here, ladies and gentlemen. We need a reversal. We need a red candle all the way down, breaking the support, continuation. That is what we need, and we might get it. It's possible. Because we're having the lower, 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 high, lower, 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 high. Now we already have a lower high. We need a lower, lower now. So we need to see a lower, lower. My stop is there in the market. This is a red. My target here at the bottom. So let's see if we're gonna get a lower, lower. For those who want to learn how to trade with us, you guys can subscribe to our channel. You know, our session starts at 7 p.m. Eastern time every day, except Saturday and Friday. So, and on Sunday, our session starts at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So, we invite all of you guys to subscribe to our channel and follow us for free of charge. You can, join our trading session. We have a Discord. You guys can, sign up for our Discord for free. We don't charge anything to anybody. Just learn how to trade. We're looking for skill. When we have that skills, we can make any kind of money we want. Yep. So it's up to you. If you want to give your money to someone to trade for you, you can go ahead and do it. But if you want to learn the skill for yourself, this is the time, this is the area, this is the place to learn it along with us. Because we are here to learn, we are not here to make money. Many chat rooms, they are there to make money. Many chat rooms. You ask questions, they will answer. But here, Trade Africa, you can join our, Discord for free and learn how to trade with us. Free of charge. We're not asking you anything. So this is a great community you can learn from, you can join for free. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell. Anytime we live, you're going to get notification. And also, spend a few minutes or hour with us learning how to trade. You won't lose anything. You are, making a big investment without knowing. Because the Forex market, the trading, if you know how to do it, it's a good thing. If you persevere, if you go till the end, you will see the reward at the end of the day. I haven't seen it, but I know that there is. I know it very well because I know a lot of people who made it. I know, and I'm gonna make it one day, and that is what I want to make it with you guys. We gotta make it together. That is why we're here for. Make it together with you guys. So you're watching now. Look like it's turning down. So let's see, and we will expect the break here. We expect this break. If we get this break here, we'll be fine. This break here, especially this candle. Let's see if we might get it. We need to get a lower. So the new lower. We need to get it there. If you don't get it, if you start having consolidation here, you have consolidation here, so it won't be good for me. So let's watch and see. Let me try to put my TP. Gotta move a little bit here. And TP here. Okay. $25. Zero 309. Okay. Place my TP here, traders. Let's see. My second line is my target profit. So I need to take a small break, ladies and gentlemen. I placed my stop and my target here. Okay, no problem. I'll be back. Trader, I'm here. I'm back. Je suis là. Le trader est toujours là. J'étais un peu à la pause. On va garder notre œil dans ce trade et voir ce qui va se passer. Let's keep our eyes here and see. What's going to happen? Watching. Watching now. We see that we call this some kind of consolidation. This consolidation trade. So consolidation, we need to come down and break here. So it come down and break here and keep going down. Let's see, we might have it. Watching here. These are slow here, traders. Watch it here. We need to see the continuation down, but now we're getting the consolidation. I mean, we need to see a breakdown, continuation down, but now we're having a consolidation. So this consolidation is like here, what we had here. You know, this was a huge consolidation, and now that is what we're getting here as well. I don't know after the consolidation whether we're going to have a continuation down or up. That is what I don't know. So let's see. Okay, we also have US Australia. US Australia here. Australia US, I mean. Let me see Australia US here. Australia US. For the short. Australia US for the short. Australia US. Downside, we're watching here. Guys, see Australia US here for the short. I'm in. Australia US for short. And my stop gotta be above. Change it. My stop here. I need to buy my stop. See, I gotta place my stop. Australia US for the short. I gotta place my stop above this candle. Australia US for the short, my stop gotta be here. Australia US for short, traders. I need to place my stop. Australia US for short. All right, a short Australia US traders. So our trade here for Australia GDP is not moving on the very good direction, but let's see. Watching. Watching Australia US for short. Australia US for short. I'm in Australia US for short. That is a new trade I took. Sit down Australia US for short. Je suis déjà ouvert. Great movement here, Australia US. And Australia GBP now is coming down. That is a consolidation. It hasn't done anything. Just consolidate, up and down, up and down, up and down. We don't really know what they're going to do. Maybe we might end up just getting out of that trade, like for the flat, because that is a huge trade. I've been there for a while, long time. This trade took. Hasn't done anything. Australia US doing great. So I might end up taking a loss with the Australia GBP because it's not doing anything. Australia US and Australia GDP not doing great. Let's watch here, Twitter. I'm still there in Australia GBP and Australia US. Australia US doing great for the short. I'm in. So I might decide to get out of the Australia GDP because consolidation, it doesn't do anything, since long time. So I might get out of that trade soon, because I don't see what it's doing. Sometimes you might do that. If trade doesn't work, you might decide to get out of that trade. Let's see. The last effort, if it doesn't do anything, I will prefer to get out of the trade. But if it starts coming down, I might hold it. So let's watch and see if it can break. Watching. Australia GDP. You have to break down. Great. I'm monitoring Australia GBP. Okay, I'm out of Australia GBP. Out because it doesn't do much. So I prefer to get out of it with a loss, small loss. It's better. Because I've been there almost going now to 1 hour, but the trade keep going sideways. Sometimes you might get out of that kind of trade, wasting your time. So I got a small loss on it. It's okay, small one. So let's see now Australia US. Australia US. This evening I don't trade GDP. I don't trade US Japanese this evening. So this is my stop. I can move my stop down further. I can move my stop down here to this place. I can place it there. Stop. I see. Okay, this cross your entry point, which is good. Watching. I can now secure my profit here in case pullback. Secure my profit. If you pull back, I won't lose, So watching now, as it keep going down, I keep following with my stop. So let's see. Great. Watching. Watching. already in the profit. So I don't care if you kick me out, I stop it there. That green line here is my stop. Let's see, if it come there, it's gonna kick me out and I will remain in small profit, which is not bad, trader. Watching. It's close to my stop. It stopped me out. I wouldn't lose completely. Great. I'm out of the traders. So that was Australia, US. I didn't lose money there. I made a little bit small because I was following with my my stops. So, which is great. So, this evening things was not bad at all. I play in the defensive, if I can say that, which is good. It's nice. And you can see that the trade is taking, the upside. So we see GBP now climbing up. And also we see now Australia taking now the upside. GBP climbing up here, traders. Climbing up. So now I gotta figure out how to take my maybe last trade here. I gotta go long, traders. I'm long here, GDP. Or long, traders. VP long. VP long here. And my stop gotta be below this candle. That gotta be my last trade of this evening. Probably. I need to place my stops quick as possible. Gotta place my stops. I put it below this candle. Below this candle. Stop it there. I'm in GDP for long. Let's see. Watching. Watching GBP, GBP Japanese for long. Let's see. We're gonna get it. Let's see if we can get it. GBP Japanese for long. Let's see if we can get it. GBP Japanese for long. Let's see if we can get long. Can break there. If we don't, that gotta be our last trade for tonight. Let's watch and see. I can get a break there for a new high. See down GBP to the long. GBP Japanese. GBP Japanese for long. Let's see. We're gonna get a new high there. It's hard. Break. Keep coming down. This is gonna be our last trade, the evening. Let's see. If it doesn't work out, we'll be out of the trade soon. Gotta get out of the trade soon. Let's see. If it doesn't work, we take the loss. And that gotta be our last trade, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. We're almost in our stop. Almost. Yeah, almost in our stop. It doesn't work, we take the loss and we move on. So today was nice, even though we lose this trade, we'll say overall things was very good today. You know, it was nice. We will still, close here on, winning on green. But yesterday also things was not too bad. So I can say that we're moving in the right direction, traders. Small, we go in there. We're improving the way we trade. When we see mistakes we're making, we try to adjust those mistakes. That is what we did. Yesterday we made mistakes a lot for not following the trend. And today we came now, we try to correct those mistakes and it worked. It works very well. So that is what we gotta keep doing when we come. We gotta come and see the mistake we're making and we try to correct them. As we are going. Because mistakes happen, and to become a profitable trader is the mistakes. You need to correct them. So that was today. Trading section was good. Tomorrow we will be here again around 7 p.m. Eastern time. And no, not 7 p.m. because tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday usually I used to go to church, and I will come out around 10 or 9:30. So we will tune in here around 9:30, 10 tomorrow to have another session. That gotta be the last time, because Friday we don't usually trade because they close the market earlier. So that's our last session gotta be tomorrow, and after that we will have session only on Sunday. So I'm approaching my stop here to stop out on this trade. If I stopped out, I'm going to take it, take the loss. But I entered the trade very well. This was my entry point. So my entry was here because it broke here to go up. Even though it kicked me out here, it doesn't mean that it will not go up. It's just because my stop is tight. So my stop is tight here, which is not bad. Sometimes you can place a stop like that. Okay, I'm out of the trade with loss. Trader, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're going to stop. Today, we did our best and we turned green. That is the most important part. That we finish green. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow we gotta be here for another session. Mesdames et messieurs, nous allons arrêter ici. Nous avons fini au vert. C'est important. Ça qui est important. Et la fin dont nous avons trade aujourd'hui est à féliciter. Donc nous devons continuer à bien trade comme aujourd'hui. Et la prochaine fois, nous pourrions continuer et devenir des professionnels traders. Demain, rendez-vous à 21h30, heure de New York. Parce que demain, je vais aller à l'église et je vais sortir. Donc, nous allons être ici. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention et nous nous reverrons demain, s'il plaît à Dieu. Bonne nuit, bonne matinée, bon après-midi et bonne soirée. Have a wonderful evening, night, morning, afternoon. Bye.